Welcome back to Deluxe Motorsports. Today we're going to be looking at a 2014 Chevy Silverado. It's got the 5.3 liter motor in it. It's an LT package. It still does got quite a bit of modifications, so stay tuned to check all that out. We'll start off first with the wheels here. We got some 20x10 Hostile Alphas. Very good condition on these, no curb rash, very clean. Wrapped in some Venom Power 33-inch tires. Got 75% tread left on the tires. See, very good looking tires. Moving down the truck, we got some Offroad Step boards right there. We got some AVS Rain guards. It's a 2 and 2-inch lift kit. It's pre-wired, ready for subs and amps. Oh, sorry, we got a truck coming by right here. It's got the roll-up bed cover. Protect anything that you're hauling in the back. LED third brake light, LED tail lights. See there, really sick looking tail light. It's got a pre-wired backup camera. Aftermarket Dual exhaust. We'll check that out. Almost forgot about that. Aftermarket Dual exhaust. Undercarriage is in very good condition. This side of the truck's very clean also. It's got tinted windows front and rear. Not sure what percentage tint is. Also does got a little sun strip at the top right there on the windshield. Take a look at the inside for you guys. It's about everything on the outside. Inside is very clean, as you can see. It's got an aftermarket radio pre-installed with the backup camera, as I was saying. Take a look here. We got dual power seats on the front passenger and the driver's seat. Back of the truck is very clean. Just got it back from detail. Do a little startup for you guys real quick. Very smooth startup. Does have the aftermarket exhaust on it. It is not super loud. When you get on it, you can't hear it, but it's not super loud and obnoxious like some of these trucks can be. As you can see, it's not super loud, but a very nice looking truck. Probably won't be here for long. Priced under $30K. Come take a look at it. DeluxeMotorsports.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, all that. Come take a look at it in person. It probably won't be for long, so come on.